Hi everyone, so today we're going to check out this completed garden suite. It's a modular build. So a couple months ago, we actually had a crane and had the company ship in the 6 modules that are brought over some of these trees, brought over the existing house and craned onto the existing foundations. And now we're checking in on it fully completed. The cladding's in, all the finishes are completed, so come check it out. So before this was finished, the house was put on helical pile foundations. So it's a different type of foundation where piles are driven into the ground instead of a maybe typical concrete foundation. So now you don't see this, but this is a skirting. So this covers the foundations that goes beyond and below. And then this is a vinyl siding that's been kind of completed and placed on top of the modules. So now you'd have no idea that these are actually 6 different modules completed and put together to create the entire garden suite. So we're standing inside the garden suite and you can see that it's about 645 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, has an open concept kitchen, living, dining space, has this beautiful kitchen that has been custom made to fit into the modules. And overall, we have great finishes, vinyl floors, laminate counters and cabinets. And it's a great option for not only multi-generational families, so having one of your kids maybe move out and have their own house in the backyard. They can maybe even come back home for dinner in the evenings. Or it's a great option for investors if you want a bit of help when it comes to paying off your mortgage. You can rent out the backyard while you live in the main house. So we're standing here in the living room. You can see a lot of the big bright windows bringing in light from the backyard. So it's a really beautiful space, again, like pretty open concept and a great space for, again, a renter or for a multi-generational living. A couple of things I want to point out in terms of features is we have a ductless mini split. That's the system that's providing heating and cooling. So this house has its own systems. The services have been brought in from the main street. So we have electrical, we have gas, and that is going to power this house independently. It has its own electrical meter, again, its own heating systems, cooling systems, and it's fully an independent house. So that's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this modular garden suite. If you're looking for something similar, reach out to Metrosuite as they have a couple different models available. And if you're looking for architectural design, permits, we can help you there. Reach out to us via our website at buildxdesign.ca. And if you're interested, check us out on Instagram at buildxlab or for ongoing projects and to see what we're up to. Follow us on YouTube for more updates and subscribe to our channel.